can you analyze data displayed in a line plot? A line plot, or dot plot, shows data along a number line. Each dot, or X, represents one value in the data set. In science class, Abby and her classmates performed an experiment in which they used different amounts of vinegar. The table shows how much vinegar each person used.
Wow, science is fun!
Why would you make a data table? What kind of information is recorded in the data table? You make a data table to organize and record information. This data table shows the cups of vinegar used by each person in an experiment. A line plot shows how often each value occurs. This line plot can be used to organize the amount of vinegar each person used. Read the line plot. What do the columns of dots represent? The columns of dots represent the amount of vinegar each student used. How many students took part in the experiment? Select your answer. "21 students took part in the experiment." Analyze the data. Identify any outliers. An outlier is any value that is very different from the rest of the values. What is the outlier in the data set? The dot above 3 is far from the rest of the dots in the line plot, so 3 is an outlier in this data set. Now you know how to analyze data displayed in a line plot.